times I feel that a lot of people understand when you say that you are not your body, but if you were to say you are not your mind, they would be confused. So, this is one point I wanted to help you understand today. Um, a lot of people, they think that they are their mind, but in actuality, you have a mind, okay? In some ways, yes, you are your body, right? You are this physical mass, but of course, you're more than that, and we understand that on a level. Now, in a similar way, you are your mind, you are that character and that ego that is created, but you also have a mind, okay? And I want you to focus on that word ego because ego is, I mean, what is ego? Think about it. Ego is the character that we play, and the character that we play is a series, like a ton of thought habits that have essentially been programmed into us, and that combination is what is called our mind. Now, our mind has many different tools and faculties with which we think, okay? And that's the thing. We have a mind, and that is our tool. We are bound by it, and if we fail to shape it and use it in the right way, then we suffer the consequences. On the other side of the coin, if we can craft our mind, and this is why we study mindset so much, if we can program the right thought habits into our minds, then the results are stupendous and they are automatic. That is the best thing about the mind. It is an automatic tool. It automatically leads you to success or it automatically leads you to failure. Again, I want to reiterate you have a mind. Your mind is a tool. And I'll end with this quote from Napoleon Hill. Of course, I am paraphrasing because I never get these quite right. But the quote is somewhere along the lines of success consciousness has to be built. Success has to be attracted. Poverty needs not be attracted. And you know what? Let's go with this quote. There is a stream of life that will carry one onward to riches or to poverty. When he talks about the stream of life, he's referring to your automatic thought processes. Get your mindset right. That is your greatest tool. You have a body, you have a mind.